So I recounted. It's supposed to be my recap number 18 this time. Today I had 2 labs, mechanics and chemistry. Well, chemistry and then mechanics stick together. First period I had calculus, and we kind of finished all the materials for test 1. So it's for unit 1, unit 2, which is like quiz 1, quiz 2. It's only about limits so far, and like a tidbit about derivatives. We just have the formula, and like test 1 is gonna have just the formula. They're gonna ask for it and like kind of do a little bit with it, but it's not much. For the limits, we went over the discontinuity, how to plug in the discontinuity when we have like asymptotes and stuff, and then we did inverse trigs. We did inverse trig functions, basically all the arc, tan, arc, sin, arc, cos, which is basically sin to the -1 of x, sine to the -1, because I learned it in French. So basically using inverses of trig functions, you have to kind of know the unit circle as well as the domain. So sines and tangent, they have the domain between -π/2 to +π/2, and for cosine the interval is pi to 0, sort of. Yeah, I should say pi to -π, -π to pi. I'll look at that again later. But so then after that we started off with the derivatives. We just demonstrated the power rule kind of, but without using the power rule, because we still didn't touch that yet, and apparently we can't use the power rule for the exam. We actually have to show the details of fx minus f of x minus x plus h divided by h. So as h approached 0, that's like the instantaneous derivative, instantaneous slope of a function. In mechanics, we had the angular velocity lab, basically angular velocity, displacement, angular displacement, acceleration, all of that. We had a bike, like a bike wheel, that it turns faster with a smaller gear, and slower with a bigger gear. Yeah. And chemistry was a lab about Excel, so we just did lots of data stuff on the Excel, and printing a graph, making a data table, and just naming it, just getting used to the Excel itself. Yeah.